Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, The Average Guy, and this is my sister.
Hey, I'm Bria.
You have anything you want to shout out before we start? No. You don't want to shout out your Instagram? Have our boys sliding in your DMs?
No, I'm good.
Alright, so Bria likes cotton candy. So I found, let's see, focus. I'm about to flip the camera too. It's bacon flavored cotton candy. So we're gonna try it. It can only be so bad, right?
It's a bit nasty. I'm more of a turkey bacon girl.
So they had turkey bacon cotton candy. You gonna eat it?
Yep. Oh my god. Ew. I quit.
Okay, so it does have the regular color of cotton candy, pink, but the smell is like the bacon bits you put on your salad when you go to the salad bar.
No, it does not smell like that.
That's what it smells like to me.
It smells like ass.
Okay, so we're gonna both try it. We're gonna do a small. Oh, that's too big. We're gonna break it in half.
Grab it.
Alright, so I'm not eating this whole thing. So, 1, 2, 3.
She take you downstairs. Ooh. The most nastiest thing in the whole wide world.
It's not that bad. Like, would I buy this? No. But it's not that bad. Like, I only paid $1, but I got this from the Dollar Tree. So, I'm pretty sure this is not, I don't know. I did go see if they had other flavors, but it wasn't that bad. It was still sweet though.
It was that bad.
See, she has a sophisticated palate because she's a Georgia peach.
Yeah.
You know, they
I'm
eat
a
out.
real Southern belle.
She eat good. I'm from DC. We carry out a mumbo sauce. But because I knew Bria was not gonna like this, I made sure that I actually bought her the regular cotton candy. So that way, it's not like I just used her. But that's it. I'm gonna get a few more of these things that are just weird flavored stuff, and I'm gonna try it with random people. But I knew Bria was not gonna like this. When I saw it, I was like, "Oh, Bria likes cotton candy." I picked it up like bacon, and I was in the store, and I said, the lady said, "Don't do it." I said, "Oh, then I'm gonna buy it. How much is it?" It was actually 50 cents at the dollar store.
That's why.
See, so, but that's it, guys. We're done. We're not gonna eat none of this else. She's gonna actually eat this. See, this the regular kind, so y'all don't think I'm setting her up. So like, nah, check it, girl. She trying to kill you. But that's it. We're gone.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
See ya.
Hold the front. I hold the back.
Go ahead.
There.
Vegan flavored cotton
It's
candy.
on. That's the best.
This next shoe
It's
polish.
crooked. Oh, just fix it. Because there's so much.
Like it's not bad, right?
It's terrible.
Did you get one of him standing up?
No, he won't stand right now.
If somebody
Like
hold his hand.
sweet bacon.
Hey, stinky
Yeah.
butt, butt.
That's
Get
not
it,
what he said.
stinky butt, butt. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
The Dollar Tree.
That should be funny.
It's a whole pig
I appreciate it.
holding the bacon flavored cotton candy. That's a little
Go ahead, Brian.
problematic.
It's cotton candy?
Yeah, for real.
I thought it was actual like a piece of candy. No.
Go ahead. Just try it. It's not as bad as it looks.
It's not as
Yes,
it's
it
worse.
is. It is.
It's gotta be worse.
It is.
Look, I don't care. I'm gonna put it in my mouth.
Bria didn't like it, so that's why she's
Let
like.
me get a smaller piece.
That's what I did. Bria had a big old piece at first. Like it's not that bad, right?
It's not bad.
Yes, it is.
Bria had a whole conniption. She said,
It's like sweet bacon. Right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
sweet bacon. It's just the fact that you're expecting something really super sweet.
It's like if you was even it was like maple bacon. Way too sweet though.
Yeah.
You want to try? Go ahead.
It's like sweet
Go ahead.
bacon. It's like if somebody fried bacon with sugar in the pan.
Yeah, yeah, that's what it tastes like. That's
Wait, I
exactly
like
what it
that though.
Then you
Go
might
ahead.
enjoy that.
I was gonna say you might need to sell that. Oh wait.
Me? Oh no.
is. Be the sponsor of Fluffy Bacon.
No. No, she did not feel that.
Because you got a bigger piece of
Oh
that
gosh, it's smoky.
There you go. It is bacon flavored.
Yep, just told you, see?
I know they smoked it.
It's like it tastes like sweet bacon.
Like honey bacon, making bacon.
You
I
ready?
wouldn't say
Go ahead.
bacon.
Nah,
I would say
see, you trying to set me up.
No, it's the truth. It's like sweet
Yeah.
bacon.
You got a little smoky flavor.
See, she said the same thing. Bria almost died. I liked it. I wouldn't buy it again at all. That's today's video. I'm done. I'm so tired. So I'm going to get ready for bed and do all this and edit the video so you guys can have fun watching it. Hope you enjoy. I'm out.
No.